Now may I invite Soibam Chanusrila, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Science at School College, to deliver on health and the well-being during COVID-19.
Hello everyone. First of all, I thank the organizing committees of webinar. Today I am going to deliver a seminar paper topic on maintenance of health and well-being during COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic is causing many changes in every aspect of our lives, including the social norms that we took for granted. But there are things that can be done to maintain a healthy lifestyle in these difficult times. Everyone is encouraged to follow guidance and governmental advice to protect from COVID-19 infection and transmission. Physical distancing and good hygiene are the best preventive measure from COVID-19. Good nutrition is important before, during, and after an infection. Good exercise, adequate sleep, maintaining stress and anxiety, and maintaining a healthy diet is important part of supporting a strong immune system. Social support also plays an important role during COVID-19. Maintaining healthy body and active lifestyle during COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic, many of us are staying at home and sitting down more than we usually do. It's hard for a lot of us to do the sort of exercise, but it is very important for people of all ages to be as active as possible. Just taking a short break from sitting by doing 3 to 4 minutes of light intensity physical movements such as walking or stairs will help ease muscles and improve blood circulation and muscle activity. It also improves bone and muscle strength and increase balance, flexibility and fitness. For older people, activities that improve balance help to prevent falls and injuries. Some important routines to maintain good health during this pandemic. Stay active. The gym may not be open, however, there are lots of safe alternatives to get physically active. Aerobics can be done successfully at home. Going for a brisk walk or jog outside in uncrowded areas outdoor is still considered relatively safe. Put-up, sit-up, jumping jacks and more exercises are a great way to stay fit. Away from the gym for more ideas. Next, adequate sleep. Good sleep is essential to our overall health. Sleep reduces stress, improves memory, maintains body weight and blood pressure and put in better mood. While the amount of sleep needed for good health and optimum performance mostly depend on the individual, the CDC recommended adults as 18 to 60 years get 7 or more hours of sleep per night. According to the CDC, whole foods like dark green leafy vegetables, oranges and tomatoes, even fresh herbs are loaded with vitamins, fibers and minerals. Make it a habit to try to eat more whole nutritious foods instead of processed snacks or fast food. Next, maintaining the mental health and well-being during pandemic. Mental health is essential to our overall well-being and as important as physical health. When we feel mentally well, we can work productively, enjoy our free time, and contribute actively to our communities. As the coronavirus pandemic sweeps across the world, it is causing widespread concern, fear, and stress, all of which are natural and normal reactions to changing and uncertain situation that everyone finds themselves in. The issue facing each and every one of us is how it manages and reacts to stressful situations unfolding so rapidly in our lives communities. Mental health and well-being is just as important as physical health. Positive mental health and well-being enable us to function well and have meaningful social connection, positive self-esteem, and be better able to cope with life's ups and downs. Keeping our mind healthy is an important part of our overall health and well-being. A few tips that can help maintain the mental health and well-being. Spend time with friends, loved ones, and people who trust. Talk about or express the feeling regularly. Reduce alcohol consumption, avoid illicit drug use, keep active and eat well. Develop new skill and challenge the capability. Set realistic goal, relax and enjoy the hobby. Take time out, get enough sleep. Importance of social support during COVID-19. Social support may help to reduce stress, depression, anxiety and isolation, as well as promote our self-esteem, normally well-being and quality of life, while a lack of social support has the opposite effect. Here are some suggestions. Be a force of positive change. This will give a chance to contribute, share and avoid feeling helpless when the problem of COVID-19 may seem very large. Practice recommended measures and sanitary behavior to control the spread of COVID-19. Report if symptoms or isolate or quarantine if there is a travel history. Volunteer. In the time of COVID-19 pandemic, volunteering is help others in greater need, provides sense of purpose. Some of the things include online donation for COVID-19 relief, offering to work as a health volunteer and donating blood. Hospitals are currently in need of blood as many community drives has been cancelled due to social distancing. Be sure to ahead and schedule an appointment and be prepared to answer questions about recent and travel. Next, stay virtually connected with family and friends. When face-to-face interactions are limited, it may be phone call, text messages, video chat, and social media to access social support networks. If feeling sad or anxious, use these conversations as an opportunity to discuss experience and feelings. Reach out of those who are in a similar situation through WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, etc. Caregiving. Talking to children about the impact of COVID-19. Provide children with accurate as appropriate information about COVID-19. For example, what it is, how it is spread, what to do in order to avoid infection with it, and what to do if infected. But do not give unnecessarily frightening information. Avoid language that might blame others and lead to stigma. Don't make assumptions about who might have COVID-19. Consider reducing the amount of screen time focused on COVID-19. Too much information on one topic can lead to anxiety. Be kind to others and practice gratitude. Acting with kindness helps people. Being kind to others not only makes them happy, but increase happiness as well. Acts of kindness towards others increase positive emotions and decrease negative emotions. More than act of kindness could be writing a letter to a friend, sending artwork to drop off at a neighbor's house, and donating to charity. Be a positive influence on social media. Share websites and news articles from reputable sources and do not share articles from questionable sources. If a friend shares something it believes might be false, ask them for the source of information. It is a great time to share positive news sources about the good things going on in the world right now. Reduce screen time. Reduce the time spent watching TV or other media. Walk around, talk to someone, or read a book. Spending time with screen, such as watching TV, may lead to obesity. Moreover, if watch less TV, it will less likely be bombarded with news or programs that lead to anxiety and fears. Conclusion: some preventive measures from COVID-19. Clean hands often, use soap and water, and alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover nose and mouth with a wet elbow or a tissue when cough or sneeze. If anyone has fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Thanks.